In a somber turn of events, Ahero Junction witnessed a horrifying accident on Monday that resulted in the tragic loss of 11 lives. The incident unfolded when a super metro bus traveling from Kampala collided head-on with a lorry on the Kisumu-Nairobi highway, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. The fatal collision took place at approximately 2:30 a.m. on January 29. The super metro bus, en route from Kampala, crashed into a lorry transporting sugar along the Ahero-Awasi road at a location known as Athu. Reports indicate that the accident occurred as the bus attempted to overtake the lorry, leading to a catastrophic outcome. Among the victims were 2 women, 8 men, and a teenage boy, bringing the total number of fatalities to 11. Additionally, 53 passengers sustained injuries of varying degrees as a result of the collision. The severity of the injuries ranged from minor to critical, further highlighting the devastating impact of the incident. The local community is grappling with the profound sorrow caused by this tragic event. Families of the deceased are mourning the loss of their loved ones, while those with injured relatives anxiously await updates on their condition. The aftermath of the accident has left the community in shock and mourning, as they come to terms with the sudden and tragic loss of lives. Authorities are currently conducting investigations to determine the cause of the accident and establish any potential negligence or violations that may have contributed to the collision. Emergency response teams, including medical personnel and law enforcement, swiftly arrived at the scene to provide immediate assistance to the injured and manage the aftermath of the tragedy. As Ahero Junction grapples with the aftermath of this heart-wrenching incident, the community, along with the broader public, mourns the lives lost in the collision. The focus now turns to supporting the affected families and conducting a thorough investigation to prevent similar tragedies in the future. This tragic Monday serves as a stark reminder of the importance of road safety and the need for continuous efforts to enhance transportation safety measures. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get more breaking news updates.